Hello.
What
Hello.
are you doing, Graham?
Okay, so maintenance in the van is always something to do. So I'm going to clean this fan. The screen was black, so I can't show you that. But I'm
Wasn't it the
scrubbing.
other side?
I'm cleaning.
Oh, you've done
I'm
it
cleaning
everywhere.
this off. If you
Yeah.
look here, this way, come around there and have a look there. It's
There. Yeah.
Can you see all the grime?
I cleaned the net, but I didn't clean
Yeah,
there.
but you see, this is what happens with ambient air. It's dirty,
Yeah.
and that's the only vent we have here. So we'll just clean it biologically, and it'll be nice and sterile.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham. Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every
Some
moment.
of us have got a climb up there.
Yeah, it's just part of maintenance.
Yeah, it's maintenance.
Keeping things tidy.
That's the thing.
We want to redo the roof sometime.
Yes, and I was looking at that. I think we can scrape these off.
Oh, can we? And then put wood up.
Put little wooden strips up here.
Yeah. But that's going to be a big job.
Okay, so now I've washed it out, and the screen is all cleaned up nicely. So it looks like a new one again, eh? Can you believe it? Such a lot of dirt in the air. But yeah, and it works beautifully. It's like new again. Yay!
So there's part of the dam. I can't even see it. So we have a detour. I can see a lot of the roads were washed away here. There must have been huge storms. Yeah, because we've seen one road washed away. Now here's the next detour. This is the barrier to keep you from going off the mountain. So we were here a year ago and this wasn't like this. The roads were perfect. They must have had huge storms. I was getting worried because Jaunti is on a steep hill with stones, but she came up, thank goodness.
Phew, that made me oink oink.
Yeah, I said that's scary. Hope you're coming up. Oh wow, babes. So here's the detour, going all the way down. Wow, and we are up here. You can see on the right, but it's washed the whole road away.
The whole road's messed up here.
And we stood at this exact place
Yeah.
last January coming here, and it was perfect.
Crazy, eh?
Crazy weather.
Went down to the dam.
And Clarens is 30 k's. You can't see the sign, 30 k's. Pulling over to see the view. This is where we parked ourselves last time. Same picture.
Okay, babe, let's hit the road. We've got a long way to go yet to our destination.
So Jaunti in front of me. Steep hill for Jaunts. Pull over here. We're gonna. Graham was spinning up that little detour. We're gonna pull off here so that we can maybe get some more petrol.
Stop here, we.
Yes, yeah. At Little Switzerland, we're gonna pull off at Little Switzerland. We were here last year. Going to enjoy. I don't know if we're going to have anything to have here, but there's a little place, at least I can get some petrol. Okay, Graham, come, we're going.
Okay, wonderful. What now?
What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm stuck.
It says caution round ahead. Jaunti, going up the hill. Shame. Such a good van. Glorious South Africa. a beautiful country, and now we're getting to see it in our old age, the youth of our old age. Clarens 20. We're going into, with the mountains surrounding us, all the rainwater running through the mountains must be seeped in water. I can't stop filming these beautiful mountains. I mean, look at the rock formations. Tell me there's no God the Father who created all things.
Go.
It's beautiful.
Where are you? Yay! Cool. Let's be on the tree. There it is up there.
Oh yeah, there it's come out.
So this is glorious Clarens. Look at the beautiful clouds.
Clarens has these beautiful poplar trees. When we came last time, they were golden. So where are you now?
We're here at the most beautiful bakery.
Ah,
I've
okay.
eaten here once before.
Oh, what was it called? Let me just have a look here.
Oh, here's the shop. Remember the shop from last time? With animals when I'm eating, so you're gonna have to feed them.
Tell me something more. What's she saying?
So this is the friendliest cat I know, because cats don't come and sit by me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Crazy.
I think it's better like that. Like,
outside the Purple Onion, just looking at mountains and things. Okay, Cindy, so what we got here?
Pipes. Look at this. You're gonna have cappuccino and a nice cook sister.
Nice.
Very South African.
I like that.
Very South
and here's the
African.
cappuccinos right now.
thank you.
Very, very nice, Mama.
Thanks.
Thank you.
The same number is this one. I don't know if you want to take a picture. It's the same
Oh,
number.
it's the same number.
Yeah.
I will.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So this looks nice.
Yeah. Okay. So Graham, come here. They say you must stop and smell the roses in life.
Smell the roses.
Mm.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Smelling
that is so beautiful.
nice.
Look at this.
Wow, love it.
Gorgeous.
Donkeys in the background.
So it's very windy, but this is the beautiful sunset at our campsite. It is like winter out here today. It's freezing. It's the December and it's freezing cold. Look at the sunset today. I don't usually see this. This is quite awesome. Beautiful.
Beautiful grounds we have, and this is the cottages that they have there, and the ablution block is coming up over there, and so it's so nice. There's also a big circle where you can have a braai, a communal braai in the middle here, but we're not going to do that. It's over here. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We've come to the end of our video, so we hope you enjoyed it. Please like it, share, comment and subscribe, please. We need subscribers. Right, this is the festive season and I hope everybody's happy because this is a grand occasion, and I hope everyone has a wonderful time with their family at home, having a nice roasted chicken or something, and experiencing Christmas in a different fashion. Cindy, what do you have to say?
I just want to say have a lovely Christmas, Merry Christmas,
Merry
and a
Christmas,
Happy
guys.
New Year. And we're going to have a break from videoing, so it will be only in the new year, maybe the 11th, that's Sunday around then.
Yeah, I
Don't know
think
the exact date.
two Sundays we're not going to do.
Yeah, so we're going to just have a break and enjoy ourselves and our
We
Christmas.
might just put a few shorts in between.
Yes. So otherwise we've had a good year of traveling.
Yeah,
It's going to be our second year of going through South Africa, and we're actually having a ball. We're at campsites and we're always there for maybe a month because it's cheaper for us. We can't go each night every different places, too expensive that way. So yes, you get to see what's in the area for that month, or sometimes if it's really beautiful, 2 months. In fact, Mossel Bay we stayed 3 months. So go back and look at all our videos.
That's it. There's
You'll
plenty. There's plenty. We've got like 330, 320 of them, so you can go and enjoy. Go to our site, Jaunti Van Life, or Cindy and Graham, and you'll see us there. Go well. God bless.
New Year.
Have a wonderful time. Happy New Year.
Bye.